proclamation honoring UTRGV Department of Civil Engineering GeoWall team on a national championship title win. And we have today with us the Dean of Engineering, Dr. Ala Kavaj, some other representatives from the university and the students. So I'll go ahead and read the proclamation. Proclamation recognizing the UTRGV 2022 GeoChallenge National Student Competition winning team. Whereas the Geo-Institute of the American Society of Engineers National GeoWall is the most competitive national student competition in the field of geotechnical engineering. The competition is held at Geo Congress, the largest international conference in geotechnical engineering. Whereas the GeoWall competition consists of designing and building a model mechanically stabilized earth MSE retaining wall using paper reinforcement taped to a poster board wall facing. The design should strive to need the least amount of reinforcement to support the retained soil and design loads. Whereas at the 2020 National GeoWall competition in Indianapolis, UTRGV was among the 20 finalists that were invited to the conference to compete. This was UTRGV's first time competing in the GeoWall competition, and against all odds, they placed second, just shy 0.1 points out of 300 from the trophy. Whereas during the Geo Congress 2022 competition held in Charlotte, North Carolina, the six-member UTRGV team brought home a national win this spring from the GeoChallenge competition. UTRGV is the first Texas team to win this trophy in the almost 20-year history of the competition.
All right.
Whereas UTRGV's, yes. Whereas UTRGV's Department of Civil Engineering was established 12 years ago and beat the other universities with well-established programs running hundreds of years. Now therefore be it proclaimed that the Hidalgo County Commissioners Court does hereby wish to congratulate and recognize the University of Texas Rio Grande Valley's College of Engineering and Computer Science GeoWall team and all other persons involved for the hard work and dedication in preparing for the national competition and bringing recognition to the region and the state of Texas. Approve this 20th day of September 2022. Request approval.
Motion to approve.
Have a motion second to approve. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Motion carries. Congratulations. What a great achievement.
Dr. Ala Kavaj is going to, he's the dean of the college, will be speaking, and then followed by one of the students.
Thank you, Belinda. Thank you to the Commissioner's Court. And I'm really proud of our talented students. And many of you have been part of building our education here in the Rio Grande Valley. When we went to the people in Austin, asking them that we need, in the 90s, probably the judge, and many of you remember, that we need an engineering program right here in the Rio Grande Valley, they were questioning if our kids can do it. And guess what? Our kids are not only doing it, they are doing it better than anyone else, and they are outperforming students in any part of the country and in the world. This is a national competition, the first place in the nation, the first group to win this national championship in the state of Texas. So those amazing students are bringing recognition not only to Hidalgo County, not only to the Rio Grande Valley, to the state of Texas and to the nation. And I want to tell you, this would not be possible without the support from our amazing community. I know Richard Cortez have been a great champion for education and for engineering, Commissioner Cantu, Commissioner Fuentes, Commissioner Villarreal, and of course, Commissioner Torres, who has a daughter who's an engineer. So we have special. So this is amazing. So thank you. We wouldn't be able to do it. We have a great community of engineers in the Rio Grande Valley. We would not be able, and the students would not be able to do this without the support. And I have some of them with me here. I know Heriberto and Ken. Could you please raise your hand if you are one of the community engineers? Thank you for your support. And without our amazing faculty and staff who mentor those students and supported them. So can you please raise your hand if you are one of our faculty and staff? We have here Dr. Pham, Dr. Vu, I know Lisa. Yeah. Yes, and above all, actually, we won't be here today without those talented students. Ashley, raise your hand. She's the captain. We have Patricia. We have Liam. Liam, raise your hand. We have Jesse, and we have Cesar. So those amazing students are not only the future of Hidalgo County, they are the future of the state and the future of our nation. And I want to ask Ashley, because they are the best part of this, to say a few words to you. She is the captain of the team. and they made us very proud. Ashley, please come forward.
Hi, thank you. Well, first and foremost, I want to thank the community here and all the faculty at UTRGV for supporting us and really just making it possible and just being very involved. I want to thank, of course, Dr. Vu and Dr. Pham, who are advisors, who really allowed us the freedom to practice and to do what we needed to do to be the best. And most importantly, to our team, because if it wasn't for their commitment and consistency to practice for months, we wouldn't be national champions. So thank you, guys.
Our drainage district is now accepting applications.
IT.